20 ways to master the art of saying no. Learning to say no is essential for protecting your time, energy, and well-being. Here are 20 powerful ways to master this valuable life skill. 1. Know your priorities. Be clear on your goals and values. When a request doesn't align with them, it's easier to say no. 2. Pause before responding. Take a moment to think. A delayed answer gives you time to consider your capacity and intentions. 3. Use I statements. Say, I can't commit to that right now, rather than blaming others or sounding defensive. 4. Be direct and respectful. A simple, no thank you, or I'm not available is enough. Avoid over-explaining. 5. Offer alternatives. If appropriate, suggest someone else or another time. 6. Practice saying no. Rehearse in front of a mirror or with a friend to gain confidence. 7. Avoid guilt. Saying no doesn't make you selfish. It means you value your limits. 8. Set boundaries. Be firm and consistent with your limits to prevent being pressured again. 9. Start small. Begin by saying no to small things and gradually build up to larger commitments. 10. Use a buffer phrase. Say, let me check my schedule and get back to you. Then decide privately. 11. Don't lie. Honesty builds trust. Saying I'm not interested is better than making up excuses. 12. Value your time. Treat your time like a resource, because it is. 13. Know your triggers. Recognize people or situations that pressure you and prepare responses in advance. 14. Use body language. Maintain eye contact and a calm tone to reinforce your words. 15. Keep it short. Long explanations weaken your stance. Be brief. 16. Visualize success. Picture yourself calmly and effectively saying no. It builds mental strength. 17. Practice self-care. Saying no protects your mental and emotional health. 18. Be okay with discomfort. You may feel awkward at first, but it gets easier with time. 19. Learn from each experience. Reflect on what worked and what didn't after each no. 20. Celebrate your progress. Each time you say no with confidence, acknowledge it as a victory. Mastering the art of saying no isn't about rejection. It's about self-respect, clarity, and empowerment. With practice, saying no becomes a powerful tool for living a balanced and intentional life. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.